get a first offer at this time.
What do you mean?
What Ms. Rogers and I agreed to is a referral to driver improvement school, and then she would be giving me an offer.
All right. So we need an adjournment for him to take a driver improvement class.
Right, set it for a pretrial, perhaps.
We can do that.
At least that way it's moving forward, kind of thing.
All right. Mr. Marshall, how long do you think you're going to take you to contact the Secretary of State and get involved with? Because most of these, they're self-paced. You do them on your own. You don't go to a school. You just call it up. It's an online course, and you do it online. So
I gave him actually two addresses that I had got email at online that I had gotten from Ms. Walker. So I gave him two different options.
and they both were .gov.
No. One was
It was address.
Judge.
Oh, hold on, Mr. Marshall. I can't listen to everybody at one time. So what was that, Mr. Walling?
They were both .com. That's idrivesafely.com.
I would double check that. They've in the past, they've only taken .gov, not private companies. You said you got that from Ms. Walker?
Yes, sir.
Shannon Walker?
Yes, sir.
All right. Can we call Sydney, Madam Clerk? Because everything I've done with, they've always said it's got to be a .gov, which is a government driver improvement course, not a private one.
As I say, I got that from Ms. Walker. So
Well, I want to verify that before we do this.
absolutely.
And waste this time. Madam Clerk, can we try to reach Ms. Rogers?
Yeah, I'm texting her now.
Thank you.
May I ask, Judge, what you were thinking about as a pretrial date?
I don't have a thought on it yet.
Oh, okay.
We're waiting to see how much our normal pretrial dates from this date would be July the 24th.
That would be perfect.
And that would be sufficient time to.
Absolutely.
It'll be a cute cake, but she don't want to be fun. Judge, Sydney's in a room.
Ms. Rogers,
Yes, Judge.
for Mr. Terrell Marshall, I understand that you've offered that he take a driver improvement course.
That's correct, based on his charge and his driving record.
Yes, but Mr. Walling said that he was given directed to some driver improvement courses that were .coms and not .govs. Is that correct? Are you doing that now?
Oh, no, I guess we didn't talk about which specific class.
Right. I got these numbers from Shannon Walker. They're both .com.
Yes. What are the classes, Phil? If Shannon gave them to you, I'm sure those are fine then.
It's idrivesafely.com and the Michigan Safety Council, COUNCIL.com.
Okay, those will be accepted. Typically, I say the Secretary of State, and there's a couple you can take through them, but if Shannon's recommended those, that's not a problem.
Okay. We're gonna have a pretrial date of July 24th. A return at 8:30. He'll come back with completion. Either one of those courses, Ms. Rogers?
I'm sorry, Judge, what did you say?
I said it's okay if he takes either one of those courses?
Oh, yep, either one's fine.
All right.
I'm sorry, Judge, can I have the case number and the name for the?
Oh, I
record?
apologize, Madam Clerk. It's a number of case numbers. This is Mr. Marshall, state your full name.
Thank you, sir.
Terrell Marshall.
Very well. This is case number SP 109562441. The people versus Terrell, TARRELL, Marshall, MARSHALL. On this matter, Mr. Marshall is charged with improper plates. Mr. Marshall, you also have SP 1095642, reckless driving. SP 1095643, no insurance. SP 113354041, no insurance. SP 122311651, drive while license suspended. SP 131700501, unregistered motor vehicle. SP 131700502, improper plates. SP 1353901, improper plates. SP 135390102, unregistered motor vehicle. SP 135390103, no insurance. SP 1353971, drive while license suspended. You have all these matters, Mr. Marshall. Let me tell you something. This is ridiculous that you have these many charges. If in fact you don't complete this course, if in fact you come back with something else, you're gonna get a great deal here. You come back again before me with anything like this, well, not anything like this, with anything at all, you may be going to jail. You know, you're just doing anything you want when you want to do it. And I'm not inclined or a great belief that you should get this kind of deal, but people have offered it and we're going to go along with it. But this is a one-time deal. Understand that. All right.
Yes,
So
sir. So what do I have to do? Complete the driver course on
Yes,
iDrive
sir.
Safely?
Yes, you're going to have to complete the driver and training course. And when we come back here, then the people will make you a much better offer.
Okay, thank you.
You come back on July 24th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
Madam Clerk, let me verify that. That's the date you want him to come back?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right.
All right.
Here.
All right.
All right. That appears to be our docket for the morning.